Hello and welcome to this Python programming tutorial. Today we'll explore how to work with various data types in Python using Google Colab, an amazing tool that allows you to run Python code in the cloud without installing anything on your machine. Google Colab is a powerful platform where you can write and execute Python code, store your work in Google Drive and share your code with others. It's perfect for both beginners and experts alike. Let's get started by opening Google Colab. To start, go to colab.research.google.com. Once there, click on New Notebook to create a fresh Python notebook. In this first example, we'll learn how to work with different data types in Python. We'll define variable. As you can see, we declare a string variable name, an integer management underscore accounting underscore marks, a float GST underscore marks, and another integer NSS underscore marks. Now let's run this code. When we run this program, it prints the values of these variables. Here's what the output looks like. Great! The program successfully printed the values of the variables. You can see that each type of data, whether it's a string, integer, or float, is correctly displayed.